Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with the walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk to you about major talking points and features of this incredible X4 3-litre D Xdrive that's presented in the Alpine white. And of course, we've made some very nice additions here at Your Next Car. A very eye-catching and very standout feature that we've made here, being that we've added the 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloy wheels finished in gloss black. The wheels themselves are all brand new with brand new tyres and sitting very nicely set against the Alpine white of the body colour, and they also sit very nicely along the lines of this very nice X4. At the front of the car you'll see the gloss black kidney grills alongside being a 2015 65 reg. You'll also see the angel eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, the vehicle also comes equipped with the sun protection glazing package, and throughout the video I'm going to try and highlight the fact that this is a very clean and tidy vehicle throughout, and of course give you a general overview of the condition. So there you can of course see the very nice mixture of those stunning alloys and of course the very nice condition of the outside. Moving on, I'm going to show you the interior in a bit more detail very quickly. The interior of this car is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar adjustment for both passengers and drivers front. And you'll also see this very nice dark wood interior trim that we have on this M Sport X4, and of course also these lovely big M Sport kick plates along the sills. Moving on for the rear seats, where of course can always be a big factor in purchasing this style of vehicle. We've got a very spacious 3-seat isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again all very clean and tidy. And as you can see there, again we've got that lovely darkened M Sport headlining, all in wonderful condition. Before we head round to the rear, again showing you off these brand new alloy wheels. And of course another addition we've made here is adding this high gloss rear boot spoiler that looks very nice, situated on that automatic opening and closing tailgate that of course I'm going to show to you in just a second. Opening that up, you'll be able to see just how much of a large boot space you get on the X4, which is again can be a big factor in purchasing this style of vehicle. You'll see that again all nicely presented along with the genuine floor mats, and there is also the split folding seat option as well. There is also storage to the right hand side as well, and of course in general having that automatic opening and closing tailgate also does make a big difference. Round at the other side of the car you'll see once again it's all a very nice clean and tidy vehicle, including these staggering alloy wheels that really do suit this car very nicely. Moving on, again I'm going to show you those once more before I head on inside the car to just run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. In the meantime, however, once again showing you that rear leg room and overall very spacious rear seating area. Moving on inside, we'll run you through a couple of the controls and features. On board this vehicle we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and of course I'll run you through that. In terms of multimedia, we get a wide array including the music collection. For your external devices we've got USB, Bluetooth audio and of course AUX. And we've also of course got DAB audio, a very user-friendly system in terms of the satellite navigation, and of course we've also got Bluetooth telephone as well. Going back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the vehicle service information very shortly. Down here is where we find the dual climate control along with the switches for the heated seats. But a feature I really do like to highlight for the X4 is the fact that it really does have the off-road capabilities a vehicle of this type should have, including hill descent control. So of course should you find yourself going down slope on a wet muddy field or something of those surfaces, this vehicle can take control and do all of that sort of thing for you. And of course having that superb sophisticated Xdrive four-wheel drive system, although you may not plan to take the vehicle off-road, it is of course always nice to have that peace of mind should the weather change, that this vehicle can handle that sort of situation very easily. Covered just over 35,000 miles, does also come equipped with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise and speed limiter options along with voice and volume controls. And I'll quickly just show you that this vehicle is not due a service for the next 15,000 miles, which is of course always a nice bit of peace of mind when purchasing a vehicle. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you do have any further questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully it's been an insightful and useful enough to help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next vehicle. Thank you guys, take care, goodbye.